Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this arc-shaped portal on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to be using this video first, and actually I'm just going to use like this one, maybe, yeah. And then I'm just going to go to mask and I'm going to select the rectangle first. Then I'm going to create like this portal shape, reverse it, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, once you're done, you're going to simply right click again, create compound clip, and you're going to select the circle and you're going to reverse that. And you're going to want to try your best to sort of create like the kind of arc-shaped door. It's a little bit tricky, but you have to like kind of adjust it. There you go. Then I'm just going to place it like on like a second placement here. I hope that made sense. And then I'm just going to go to the local bit here. I'm going to add in a video underneath that, maybe like the space video. And if you want to create a dimension, just go to the library and add in a black stock video, freeze frame that. Let's just delete this first. And then you can like select the rectangle here and reverse that. Whoops. And you're going to feather that out like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!